How to make Google Sheets cells fit text. Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Take It Simple. Today in this video, I'll be showing you how to make Google Sheets cells fit text. Let's get started. When we type some text in a cell in Google Sheets, it will not automatically fit in. Instead, the text will go out of the cell and overflow to the next column. Unfortunately, there isn't a shortcut for fitting or keeping text into a cell. Hence, you need to manually wrap the text to prevent from overflowing. So there are two ways which you can do this. The first method is called wrapping. So here I have some text in a cell. So you can select the column or the row where your text is now at the top here. Click on Format. Then select Wrapping and select Wrap. As you can see, this will basically fit the text in the cell. Now, the second method is by using Fit to Data option. You can select the column which you want the text to fit. Right-click on it and select Resize the column. On this window option, select Fit. All your text will be fit in the cell. And there you have it. You have successfully made Google Sheets cell fit text. That's wrap for today. I hope you understand. If you guys did, then hit the subscribe button. I'll be seeing you guys on the next video. Until then, bye bye.